Today we're going to learn absolute value inequalities. We're writing the yellow ones, highlighted ones, and then green ones goes together. This graph belongs to yellow one, the bottom one belongs to the green ones. Go ahead, have you finished?
Yeah.
The first slide?
No.
Okay, let's get back. What is the solution of absolute value 2x minus 1 less than 5?
Can we write this down?
Yeah, write it. You can write with me. I'm not going to wait that much. I'll just explain. You are free to write or not. Okay. Now, when you see such expression, first step, you will get rid of that absolute value. So how we're going to put this one without the absolute value, all right? Then, what is the sign? What is the sign you see there? Luis?
Subtraction.
Less than, right? Yes, you were right. Less than. So, use that twice. Put that in the middle, in between less than signs, all right? Then, it's very simple. What is the number here? 5. 5 plus and how to say minus 5? You don't know? Let me talk to your Spanish. So, is that clear? This is the first step. Very simple. Get rid of the absolute value sign and then put that in the middle of 2 sign of less than and then in between plus and minus 5. Is that clear so far? Emily, makes sense?
Yeah.
So after this, we're going to solve it. How? We're going to add both sides. Correct? Actually, I made a mistake. I'm not going to add. There are how many sides? There are 3 portions, right? I'm going to add all the places plus 1. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Let me take this away and clean this one, these points, and then okay, when you add,
Do I divide this by 2?
what is it?
-4.
These cancels out, 2x, drop these down,
-4 and 6.
-4 and 6, that's right.
Why'd you put 5 on both sides here?
So what is, I just ignore a question. So what was the question again, sir?
I said, why'd you put 5 on both sides?
This is the way we solve it.
Oh, you just do it.
Just do it. Just learn it. I'm just kidding. I'm going to explain when I will check at the end, and you're going to see. And actually, that's the result of absolute value. Remember, absolute value have always 2 signs. When you see absolute value, take out plus and minus, right? It's a distance between 0. It could be positive. It could be negative. We don't know that. So we always use that plus and minus. And what is, yes, really, space. What is,
Divide by 2.
yes, good job. Lauren, thank you. Not both sides, all sides. Divide everywhere by 2. So what we're going to get, kiddos, simplify.
-2.
Keep the signs as it is. Yes, -2. So what is this?
3.
So we solved it. That's it.
Yo.
And it's also saying that graph.
How about we
It's
don't?
very easy. What is the number here?
-2.
-2,
Open circle.
0, and 3. You're right. Ring.
Huh?
And I'm going to, so we're going to cover in between. Why in between? Okay, let's interpret. That's a good question.
-2 is greater than 1. Less than.
Let's read this.
So x is everything.
Close. Yes, close this one. What do you see? X is
Less than negative.
No, x is greater than.
greater than -2. See? X is greater than -2, right, Dominic? Am I right? And let's close this. What do you read? X is, Lauren, what is that? X is? Dennis is right, yeah. You just said that. Read x
Oh, x is less than 3.
less than 3. So is that right? Less than 3.
See?
Oscar, greater than -2. So that's why we shade in between.
Yeah.
Okay?
Answers?
Yes, we're going to do different answers. We're going to have different answers, but almost we'll use the same technique, just the signs are opposite. So, same technique we're going to use. So, get rid of the absolute value sign. And what is the sign we have here? Greater than equal to. Put this number in the it's stuck in the middle. In between
6 and -6.
6 and that's it. And we're going to solve this one real quick. Subtract 4 from entire sides. Cancels out 2x. Drop the signs down. 6 minus 2 equal 2. -6, -10 is equal to -10. What is next? Divide by 2. So funny. Divide by 2. And cancels out x. Keep the same side. And -5 and 1 is correct. Okay, now what? I mean, same technique, but the sides are different, and you're just going to see a difference now. Okay, let's put the numbers back here. -5 and 1. Okay, so where am I going to shade?
In the middle.
In the middle. Are you agree?
No.
No, you don't agree. Shade where? By the way, is that going to the ring? Is that going to ring or solid?
Solid.
Solid.
It's on the outside. It's the outside. You go on the outside. The outside.
Outside, correct. Because close this one. What do you read? X is plus x is less than or equal to -5. So -5 here, less than. Where is less than? -6, -7, -infinity. That portion. So I'm going to shade that portion. And when you close -5, what do you read? X is greater than or equal to 1. So obviously. So that's it. That's easy, right? You're gonna get your assignments, but I'm gonna check first. Did you understand or not?
Yeah.
All right. These questions are a piece of cake. You just learned the foundation of that. Okay, now let me check you guys learn. Problem 1, got it. If you understood, you can solve it. Start solving this one. Let's get started. You may just check your work with mine. So this is the first step. Take it out of the absolute value, +8 and -8. We're going to add 4 to both sides. Add 4, that makes add 4, -4.